how to change Netflix password. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can change our password on Netflix. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now if you wish to change your Netflix password, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Netflix application and first make sure to log into your current account. Once you've logged into your current account, tap on the My Netflix icon from the bottom right of the screen. When you tap the My Netflix icon from the bottom right, you will land on this page. So you have to tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from there, you can see this option from the bottom that says Account. So go to the Account menu as well. Now when you come to Account, over here you'll be able to see many different options, but you want to simply look for this option that says Change Password and then just tap on the Change Password option. To change a password, you must first enter your current password. So type in your current password that you should be able to find over here. Once you've done that, enter the new password you want to create and log into, then re-enter the new password. Once you've done that, tap on the Save option from the bottom, and then your password will be successfully changed. This is how you can change your Netflix password. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.